Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be learning phonics, sound of the letter O. Letter O has two sounds. In this video, we will learn the short sound of the letter O. And the short sound of the letter O is O. Oil. O-I-L. Oil. O sound. Olive. O-L-I-V-E. Olive. We use olives as toppings on the pizza. O sound. Oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen. Oxen are used for farming. O sound. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Do you know the fact that owl doesn't sleep at night? Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird. Guess what's this? Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-N. On. O-D-D. Odd. O-F-F. Off. O-F-F-E-R. Offer. O-R-D-E-R. Order. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. O-P-T-I-O-N. Option. On. Odd. Off. Offer. Order. Office. Option. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video.